angelfish. Angelfish. A is angelfish. B is for bass. Bass. B is bass. C is for catfish. Catfish. C is catfish. D is for damn selfish. Damn selfish. D is damn selfish. E is for eel. Eel. E is eel. F is for flounder. Flounder. F is flounder. G is for goldfish. Goldfish. G is goldfish. H is for herring. Herring. H is herring. I is for icefish. Icefish. I is icefish. J is for jelly nose fish. Jelly nose fish. J is jelly nose fish. K is for koi. Koi. K is koi. L is for lionfish. Lionfish. L is lionfish. M is for mackerel. Mackerel. M is mackerel. N is for needlefish. Needlefish. N is needlefish. O is for oscarfish. Oscarfish. O is escarfish. P is for pufferfish. Pufferfish. P is pufferfish. Q is for queen angelfish. Queen angelfish. Q is queen angelfish. R is for rainbowfish. Rainbowfish. R so bright. Red apples shining in the light. Red cherries, heart so true. Red is fun for me and you. Orange, orange, big and round. Orange pumpkins on the ground. Orange carrots, juicy too. Orange is a happy hue. Yellow, yellow, shine all day. Yellow sun lights up our way. Yellow bananas, stars so bright. Yellow makes the world feel light. Green, green, fresh and clean. Greenest color we have seen. Green leaves dancing in the breeze. Green peas growing with the trees. Blue, blue, cool and clear. Blue sky tells us joy is near. Blue ocean, raindrops too. Blue is beautiful for you. Purple, purple, soft and sweet. Purple flowers smell so neat. Purple grapes and butterflies. Purple sparkles in our eyes. White, white, pure as snow. White clouds floating way up high go. White swans and moon so bright. White glows softly in the night. Gray, gray, calm and slow. Gray clouds moving down below. Gray snows and elephants too. Gray is nice for me and you. Black, black, dark as night. Black cats walking out of sight. Black shoes and black hats too. Black looks cool in every view. Brown, brown, warm and sweet. Brown cookies are fun to eat. Brown bears and wooden chair. Brown is cozy everywhere. Pink, pink, bright and fun. Pink flowers under the sun. Pink bows and flamingos too. Pink brings happy smiles to you. Red, orange, yellow, green. Blue and purple can be seen. White and gray, black, brown, pink. Colors brighten all we think. We love colors, yes we do. Bright and beautiful for me and